got the corners, I've got these corners taped. That's a piece. That hole is there in case the light bulb is the last thing we put in.
Right.
And then we cap it.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The way it gets capped, again, this is going to be a little bit awkward upside down. So if we could do this on the ground and then take the whole thing up, it'd be better.
Yeah.
But if we can't, if we just physically not able to, you're lining these squares up. You've got this hashtag, hash mark lined up here so you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
And these, very carefully, you're going to hand do this with a, I'm going to give you a Phillips. A hand screwdriver. Yeah,
This is,
you don't want to crack the countersink, right? This gets screwed.
into.
There's a hole. So here, see the holes?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're kind of a pain in the ass, but you'll figure. This will probably take you longer than that fucking thing.
Right.
But somebody's just got to hold it, and you just got to get in there. There, there's the hole.
Register.
Yep. I won't do all of them, but you get the general idea, right?
Yeah.
I'll do, right?
Now, is this bottom part attached to
Yes, this is one object. So it's not, the only thing last thing that you're going to be touching is this. Assuming the light bulb scenario doesn't work, and you have to take it out. Once you take it out, and you know you have to put it back, this will be off,
Yeah.
this will be slid, then you can reach up through that hole,
Yeah.
put the light bulb and it'll only be that deep.
If I have the option
If
to,
you have the option not to do it, better.
yeah, do this on the ground,
Yeah,
light bulb up in the ceiling, this will
just slide in. Yeah.
slide it in.
Right. If the bottom of this clears the top of the light bulb, you can just go shh, and
Yeah.
done,
Yeah.
which is way better.
Yes, agreed.
This is happening only if you can't. This is a contingency plan in case, right? So four screws, right?
Yeah.
As long as you're kind of lined up, it takes a second, but you'll find it.
Yeah.
There it is, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Screw them in. Once they're screwed in, and just hand tighten, don't crack anything. That's going to be all you.
Yeah.
You know what to do. Once you're done, there it is. Not complicated. Just cover them up. So this will be in your toolbox, yeah?
Love it.
So for now, what I'll do is we'll keep these separate. And then if you get there and everything works, yay! You just screw it on the ground, right? And then you can pick this thing up and slide it in. But you and I will slide it in together.
Yeah,
What-
just for orientation's sake, let's see which side goes in.
Yeah, I'll show. And we're gonna label it right now with tape.
Perfect.
That has an end stop as well, so there's only one way to go.